In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task to another project, section, or board column in Asana. First, open the Asana project that contains the task you want to move. You can get there from the sidebar by selecting the project name or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of projects. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so you're looking at the right place. Once the project loads, confirm you're in the view you prefer, list or board, so it's easy to spot the task. Next, click the task you want to move. This opens the task details pane on the right. Take a second to confirm it's the correct task by checking the title and any key details. Keeping the task open will make the next steps faster. Now, use the Project or Task Options menu. In the task details, look for the Options menu, often shown as 3 dots, or find the project field within the task where its current project and section are listed. This is where you control where the task lives. Open that menu to access Move options. Choose the destination. If you're moving the task to a different place within the same project, select the section in List View or the column in Board View that you want. If you need to move it to another project, pick that project first, then choose the appropriate section or column there. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right spot, especially if your team uses similar section names across multiple projects. If you prefer a more visual approach and you're in board or list view, you can also drag and drop the task. Click and hold the task card in board view and drag it to the target column. Or in list view, drag it to the target section. This is ideal for quick reorganizing within the same project. Release the mouse when you see the correct drop indicator. Finally, check the new location to confirm the task moved correctly. Look for the task in the destination section or column and open it to verify the project and section or column fields reflect the change. If you don't see it right away, clear any filters like Asana or completion status, or refresh the page to update the view. Confirm that the task's details, attachments, and comments are intact. That's it. Your task is now exactly where it needs to be. With these steps, you can keep your projects tidy and your team aligned in just a few clicks.